In this 30-second explainer, we are unpacking the slang term tractor flap. Tractor flap means a prank where a tractor's flap is lifted or tampered with as a joke. You'll often see it used when someone is joking around on a farm or rural area. For example, he pulled a tractor flap prank on his friend during the farm visit last weekend. The phrase tractor flap gained popularity in rural prank culture during the early 2000s. For more details and examples, check the link in the description below.